Mohit Kumar. I am studying first class. My school name is Akshara English Medium School. My father name is Somsekar. My mother name is Renuka. My village name is Betoli. My name is Naya. I am studying first class. My school name is Akshara English Medium. My father name is Jugar. My mother name is Rika. My name is Betoli. My name is Santa. I am studying first class in Akshara English Medium. My father name is Govind. My mother name is Krishna. And my village name is Samba. My name is Rita. I am studying first class in Akshara English Medium School. My father name is Vinod. My mother name is Radha. My village name is Sangala. Pillalamu badi pillalamu